What are you eating?
Papa.
Are you eating a popover?
Papa.
That's right, popover. Is it good? No. I want to see if I can get... Hello. Yes, I'm not going anywhere. I want to see if I can get on camera what you were eating before. Do you want to eat a little bit more of that? Brussels sprouts.
Mama.
Brussels sprouts.
Mama.
Love.
Mama.
Do you love Brussels sprouts? Are they so tasty? Yeah, in case you get super picky in like, I don't know, a day or a year or whatever, your dinner, which you are voraciously eating right now, includes black-eyed peas, pan-seared salmon, Brussels sprouts, and a popover. And you seem to be enjoying it. Oh, you ate all the Brussels sprouts. Do you need more Brussels sprouts? Alright, let's see if I can do this. Here.
Papa.
That's popover.
Papa.
We haven't gotten to learning about not talking with your mouth full yet. Talking is still such a novelty. We'll take it any way we can get it, right, Mel? Right, Petunia Pie? Oh, no you don't. Can you say popover?
Papa.
Yep. And what were you eating for a snack? Were you eating pine nuts? Were you eating pine nuts before? What is that, little monkey? You want more beans? Can you say yum yum? Bill, can you say yum yum? Can you say bye bye? Bye bye.